I'm back!
Yes, it's been a while since I've hit these YouTube streets, but it's a new year and it's time for a kitchen redo. I'll give you the deets on the appliances that I selected, as well as my good and not so good experiences with Lowe's. And with that, let's get started.
All right, so I went to Lowe's in search of a dishwasher and an electric stove. When we moved here, I was not happy with the appliances, but it was a hot housing market and people were bidding on this house, so I settled for some appliances that I knew at some point I would replace.
A couple of months ago, I did purchase a Samsung refrigerator as an open box item from Lowe's. It has a couple of dents and some imperfections, but I really like the price. Here is my son loading it up. Now, choosing an open box item, particularly an appliance, is something that you should do thoughtfully. Appliances impact the resale value of your home. I made the call because when you walk in the kitchen, you're not looking at the refrigerator head on. So I felt that this was a savings that I could get away with. On the flip side, I did bite the bullet when it came to the microwave. As you see here, I have a brand new Samsung microwave oven in the box. I just needed to get it installed. But when I decided to go with the electric fingerprint-free stainless steel stove, I felt like I had to get a microwave to match it. So I spent some extra money there.
So I bought a new stove and I bought a new microwave, and what I like about them is that they are fingerprint free, so I don't have to worry about all of this anymore, and I don't have to worry about this broken handle, which I've been trying to hide since we've moved here. All of this will be replaced. Voila! So that'll be awesome.
Now, several stakeholders will try to convince you that kitchen appliances do not have to match. For example, you may have a realtor that's trying to convince you that having mismatched major appliances is no big deal. Or if you're in the market for a particular appliance, a competitor will try to convince you that appliances don't have to match. And even still, if you're dealing with a seller with mismatched appliances in their kitchen, they will try to convince you that it's no big deal.
So you'll notice that here, the former owner scraped off the fact that this is a Samsung microwave because this is an LG stove. So she was trying to sell it as the same kit, but it's not.
Well, I do think that kitchen appliances need to be by the same manufacturer. And here are 3 reasons why uniformity is king. The first reason is that a manufacturer typically uses the same handles on all of the appliances in the kitchen suite, and it gives the kitchen a clean, complete appearance. The second thing is manufacturers use different palettes even within the same color scheme. So for example, stainless steel from one manufacturer may look completely different from its competitor, and that doesn't give your kitchen a clean appearance if they're all in the same space. Additionally, customers enjoy a huge price savings when they buy multiple appliances from the same manufacturers.
So, what was my experience at Lowe's? Well, it was pretty interesting. I walk in to the appliance section. There's a gentleman there who I've done business with before. I've purchased quite a few things, even though he didn't remember me. And he was not so friendly. And so I walked up to him and I explained I'm looking for a stove and a dishwasher, and I told him that I only sold one, and he said, oh, just look online for the rest of them. So, I mean, for other folks, it may not be a big deal, but I kind of felt like I'm coming in the store, I'm spending a significant amount of money. I would expect the salesperson to let me know what items are on sale, what things I might be interested in, and he had no interest. Maybe he just assumed I was just browsing and had no intention of buying, but what he didn't know is I was determined to buy today.
I'd recently received the rebate that I was owed as a result of the floor promotion that I'd taken advantage of 6 months ago. So I had money to spend, and I really wanted to take advantage of some of the promotions that the store was advertising. All was not lost, however. I went to customer service, explained my concerns, and ran into Alexis Green, otherwise known as Lexi, and she was nice enough to take me back to the appliance area and show me the wide selection. The funny thing is that I came to Lowe's to purchase the electric stove and a dishwasher, but Lexi was so convincing, I ended up buying the electric stove, the dishwasher, and another microwave to match the set. So she is a perfect example of what can happen when someone in the store takes the initiative and is interested in the customer's needs. Here are the products I ended up purchasing. This electric stove has an air fryer, so that will be new for me and my family. And then this microwave, this is a pleasure for me because it's fingerprint free, so I don't have to worry about constantly cleaning it as I did with the last one. And I'm sure the kids will be excited about that dishwasher, as you can turn it on and off from your phone. Make sure you stay connected with us so that you can see the finished kitchen once the new appliances have been installed, and watch our older videos so you can see some of the awesome redos that have taken place in other areas of the house.
Thanks for tuning in. So please like, share, subscribe, and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.